Hello, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to look at regression analysis in Excel. How do we do regression analysis in Excel? So I show you the step to step how to do the regression analysis and how to include the plots, and I also show you how to interpret the results that we have obtained. So I use this data set that has price, advertising, and quantity sold. So let's say we want to find if there is a relationship between the quantity sold and the price. The price is a dependent variable, where the quantity sold is the dependent variable. That is, quantity sold depends on the price of the product that we are selling. So the first thing you do is just click here on data analysis, and then you click on regression, and okay, it asks you for input Y range. The Y range is the quantity sold. I select from the quantity sold, select all the quantity from quantity sold to the last data point. Okay, do the same. Y is the price, so do the same from price to last final data, then final data point, and then make sure you select labels, then make sure you select new worksheet here. If you want to input it on the same, okay, let me input on this table, this same sheet. So I click on output range, and then I will select where I want it to come here. Good. And then the next thing is to, if you want residues, you can select I want the residues, and I want a line free. To obtain the plot, we have linear regression plot. We just click on line fit plots, and then click OK. And this is your output. Let me extend a bit so that I can see. Yes, that is our output. And then let's make this chart, this line chart, to be much presentable. The first thing, I delete the predicted quantity. Delete. The next thing is delete the key. And then the next part is to add a train more. You want to add train and the R squared value. So display equation and display R squared value. And you put like that, so we can say it's a graph of quantity sold versus prices. This is the title, quantity sold versus price, and then read the lower train of it. Then we have to make it font 12, increase it the font to 12. Also change the font to Times New Roman. Then enlarge it so that it can be much presentable. Yes, and that's how you do the linear regression in Excel. Yes, so to interpret this, we have to look at the R squared. You can see the R squared is 0.99, which means that 99% variation in the quantity sold can be explained by price. Yes, then you can check the p-value. You can see the p-value are less. Yes, you can interpret with the p-values, but basically that's how you do the linear regression in Excel. See you with the next video on multiple regression. Yes, thank you, and please subscribe. See you soon.